Send it. Got some hard. I got some better.
Hey, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're gonna be doing an install of some solar panels on my Tusca HitchHiker. I'm here at Tusca's shop, and they were very gracious enough to help me get these on here. So we're gonna do a video so you can see how you can do it at home. I'll put a link to everything that we're using here, but right now, kind of the first step is to get these cleats on. And these rails that go across the HitchHiker, you can screw into. So we're gonna be pretty self-explanatory, but screwing solar panels onto here. And then Josh just has to wire them together and drill the hole through the top.
Here goes nothing.
So once you have the panels laid out here, you're gonna wanna figure out where you want the cord to be on the inside, and usually what you guys put the hole kind of close to a wall so you can pin the cord to the wall.
Not too much running along the edge there.
Right. And then you're just gonna have to wire these in parallel. But yeah, these are really slick.
Yeah, and it will matter like what kind of power station you're running on the inside. Like this one has. We can post a link.
Yeah.
This works like specifically with the Anchor power station.
Okay.
So you just want to make sure you get the right adapter.
And that's this cord that you got for these.
This is an MC4, and then it'll attach into these, and then this direct connects into your Anchor power station. But a lot of power stations use this adapter, but you just want to check your specs and make sure you get the right extension.
So I'm not gonna touch these once they're
Mod there. Apply our lubricant. So to attach them together, you're going to take the positive and the negative from each side and attach them together. That allows them to charge together to full 200 watts. And then you take your negative from the one side and attach it to your adapter cable. The positive from the other side. And then you are rigged.
rigged and ready.
Straightforward. And then I'm gonna zip tie this up to clean it up a little bit. So we'll grab some zip ties, zip tie it, and then apply sealant everywhere that's needed. So this will all be elevated ultimately. So. And then I'm thinking these ones might be all right, but I guess I'll just kind of pull them over here.
On that like 8 and 8.
Okay, I'm at 8 and 16 now.
I'll just smear it.
Yeah, do a ton.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
That much?
Yeah.
Freaking mound.
I know.
Oh, I don't care about
No,
up there.
it doesn't need to look good.
As I say, I literally just don't want it to leak. That's all.
Where this stuff works.
Oh, it'll work. Moment of truth, we'll save some charges. It's at 88%.
It's a nifty little. It's a lot smaller than I.
Yep, she's charging.
That's wild. So you literally can just screw 2 solar panels on there.
Yeah.
Plug it in and it works.
Yeah, right now it's bringing in, it's still climbing, but it's at 107 watts, 110.
Man, that is crazy.
So it tells you the recharge hours.
Yeah.
So it'll be recharged completely in 1 hour, 1.2 hours.
Wow.
So that's been super nifty. And then like when you want to use these outlets, you just have to turn on like this power strip.
Okay.
So you push this button and that turns this strip on. If you want to use this, you like push this button, that turns that socket on.
That's a 12 volt car socket.
Yep.
And then you got the USB. Oh, it has 2 lightning ports and 2.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So with the clouds, it's gonna just kind of be in and out, but still gonna probably get back to 100% pretty quickly.
Yeah. Damn, that is wild.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. And if you want to add on extra power, you can.
So you can like run stuff in parallel or in
Yeah, you
series
can add.
or
They
something.
have like battery add-ons if you want to do more. Pretty sweet.
The other thing is, I was gonna put my fridge back there.
True.
So, like, did you find it like flipped over this way, or was it just that it like would move, or what was the? It just.
I mean, I actually never had it flip because I bungeed it to my cot.
Oh, okay.
Because I felt like it would if I was bouncing it along.
Yeah. The other thing is, yours also is in a trailer that has no suspension.
Exactly.
So
This will
maybe-
help.
Yeah.
If you just tuck a box around it or something.
Well,
like,
I'm
you're
gonna
be-
have my fridge right
Well, then you
next
should
to
be
it.
fine.
So maybe I'll just try that. I can always do it later. I say
And they're
not
pretty
worry
hardy,
about it.
so I'm not.
Like if
I
it does flip over, it's not
I
gonna.
don't think. I mean,
It's just a battery.
You want to do it all the time? No, but like it happened to be in the back of my truck one day, and it's fine. So they're pretty hardy.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. That's solar. It's pretty easy. You plug in a box. Obviously, if you wanted to run an inverter and have a separate battery bank, you could do that. But for these, I want to be able to take the HitchHiker out of my truck occasionally and take it apart. And so having the Anchor Solex box where I can just unplug it from the panels and then still take the HitchHiker out was important because I wanted to keep it pretty modular. So definitely subscribe for more videos. I'll have a bunch more coming out about the HitchHiker, and yeah, big shout out to the guys at Tusca Outdoors, Josh here for helping with the install and letting me film it. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.